Welcome to Review Lab. The best lifetime round table is probably one of the most versatile and durable pieces of furniture you can add to your home or event space, offering a stable and spacious surface for everything from family dinners and game nights to professional presentations and large gatherings. Its robust construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking reliability and functionality in their furnishings. This table isn't just a piece of furniture, it's a centerpiece for memories and a dependable workhorse for any occasion, designed to withstand the test of time and frequent use. Number 5. Best Choice Products 4 Feet Folding Table, Black. Place all your food and drinks on this strong, easy-to-clean surface. Its dense plastic is thicker than other brands and can hold up to 300 pounds. This table is perfect for any occasion, whether it's an outdoor cookout or an indoor event. Use it as a dining table, game table, or even a display surface. Powder-coated steel legs, frame joint locks, and non-slip rubber feet ensure it stays securely in place. You can rely on its stability for any event. With its foldable design, side lock, and convenient handle, taking it on the go is a breeze. It also stores away compactly when not in use. No assembly required. Simply unfold it, lock the legs, and your table is ready for immediate use. It's that easy to set up and enjoy. What we like. This table boasts an extra thick tabletop and a remarkable 300-pound weight capacity, making it incredibly robust. Its foldable design with a handle ensures easy transport and storage. If you need a reliable surface for heavy-duty use at outdoor events or as a sturdy serving station, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to set up and take down. The surface is durable and easy to clean. Number 4. Lifetime 6-foot folding picnic table. Gather your friends and family. This table comfortably seats up to 8 people, making it perfect for any outdoor occasion. Crafted with superior strength and durability, it's built to withstand the elements. You won't have to worry about cracking, chipping, rust, or peeling. Need to change the height? Effortlessly adjust it using the convenient dual push-pin system for customized comfort. Enjoy your meals without worry. Its stain-resistant surface makes cleanup a breeze, keeping it looking great for years to come. When the fun is over, it folds flat for easy storage. Its clever design makes it simple to put away until your next gathering. Made with UV-protected HDPE and a powder-coated steel frame, this table is designed for longevity and protection against the sun's rays. What we like. This picnic table is designed to comfortably seat up to 8 people, perfect for family gatherings or parties. It features adjustable height settings and folds flat for convenient storage. If you're looking for a versatile outdoor table that can accommodate a larger group and offers customizable height, this option is ideal. What people say. The table is very sturdy and stable, even when fully loaded. The round shape makes it easy to move around and fits well in small spaces. Assembly was straightforward and took less than 15 minutes. Number 3. Lifetime Light Commercial 4-foot fold-in-half round table. Introducing a 4-foot round table built for superior strength and durability. Its high-density polyethylene construction ensures it can handle demanding use. This table conveniently folds in half, making it incredibly easy to transport and store. A built-in carry handle adds to its portability. Designed for versatility, it's UV-protected and rust-resistant. You can confidently use it both indoors and outdoors. Keeping it clean is a breeze. The surface is stain-resistant and simple to wipe down after use. Despite its robust construction, it's surprisingly lightweight at only 22.8 pounds. This makes it easy to move around as needed. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited manufacturer warranty. It's a testament to its quality and reliability. What we like. The unique round shape of this table offers a different aesthetic and can encourage more intimate interactions. It conveniently folds in half for easy transport and storage, and its lightweight design makes it a breeze to move. If you prefer a circular setup for smaller gatherings or need a portable table with a distinctive look, this one is a great pick. What people say. This table is very sturdy and well-made. The surface is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. It folds up easily for storage and transport. Number 2. Lifetime 60105 wood grain picnic table and benches. Introducing the Lifetime 60105 wood grain picnic table and benches. It's the perfect blend of style and durability for your outdoor gatherings. Tired of bulky outdoor furniture? This table folds completely flat, making storage a breeze. Enjoy convenience without sacrificing space. Life happens, especially outdoors. That's why this table is stain-resistant and incredibly easy to clean. Spend more time enjoying and less time scrubbing. Say goodbye to the hassles of traditional wood. This table is stronger and more durable, offering a long-lasting solution for your outdoor needs. Crafted with UV-protected high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, it's built to withstand the elements. Enjoy weather and rust resistance year after year. With its robust construction and weather-resistant features, you can relax and enjoy your outdoor space without a second thought. It's designed for your peace of mind. What we like? This picnic table offers the aesthetic appeal of wood with the superior durability and low maintenance of high-density polyethylene. It's stronger and more resistant to weather than traditional wood. If you desire the classic look of a wood picnic table without the upkeep, and need a model that folds completely flat for easy storage, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made. It was easy to set up and take down. The surface is durable and easy to clean. Number 1. Lifetime 80123 folding picnic table and benches, 8 foot. Gather your friends and family. This table comfortably seats up to 10 people, with a generous 96 by 30-inch tabletop for all your needs. When the fun is over, it folds flat for incredibly convenient storage and transport. Its folded dimensions make it easy to tuck away. Crafted from high-density polyethylene, it offers superior strength and durability. You can count on it to withstand the elements and frequent use. The protected top and benches resist stains, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your time outdoors. You won't have to worry about cracking, chipping, or peeling. Plus, it's backed by a 10-year limited manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. What we like? This extra-long picnic table comfortably seats up to 10 people, making it perfect for larger gatherings and events. It's constructed from durable, UV-protected HDPE and comes with an impressive 10-year warranty. If you need a spacious and long-lasting table for big parties or frequent use, and value peace of mind with a long warranty, this is the one to consider. What people say. The table is very sturdy and doesn't wobble at all, even when I put heavy items on it. It was easy to set up and take down, which is great for portability. The surface is durable and wipes clean easily, making it perfect for crafts or dining. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.